Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the right interpreter and modules are loaded. This prevents false failures. Once done, place breakpoints on lines where you want execution to pause, because breakpoints isolate behavior. Start the debugger with run, then debug or shift plus F9. Pycharm will run until it hits a breakpoint. Make sure to watch the console and debug tool window. They reveal exceptions and ST'd out. This first phase gets you to a paused state where inspection is possible, so act now and confirm pause. You now control execution to trace logic and find root causes. You step over to skip internals, step into to dive into function calls, and step out to finish a routine quickly. Those commands let you follow program flow deliberately. Inspect variables, frames, and add watches to compare expected versus actual values. When needed, change a variable on the fly or use evaluate expression to run snippets. This confirms hypotheses without restarting. Transition between steps. You finish by applying the fix and rerunning the debugger to confirm the issue is resolved. Repeat the inspection steps if results differ. Add exception breakpoints to catch unhandled errors earlier, because they surface hidden problems. If the debugger refuses to stop or variables look wrong, verify your run configuration, interpreter paths, and that code is up to date with the source. One key troubleshooting tip: clear caches and restart Pycharm if behavior is inconsistent. That resolves many mysterious debugger issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.